So let's introduce your company and brief overview of your application.
Okay. My name is David White. I'm with Flightstats. We're a data company. We track about 150,000 airline flights a day and report out on their status. We also provide airport delay information, weather, and airline information. We also supply data to Google. If you type a flight number into the Google One box or text a flight number to Google SMS, you'll get our data back in response. We got enthusiastic about the Android platform after supplying data to mobile developers on some of the other popular platforms, and decided that we would do our own app for Android. It was an interesting platform play for us. We were enthusiastic about the growth potential and the growth potential worldwide as we supply data for global flights. The development effort went pretty well, surprisingly quickly. The environment was very similar to the Java environment that we develop our own apps in, and things went pretty well.
So, can you tell us a little bit behind your decision on the Android platform?
Yeah. As I mentioned, the development environment looked friendly to us and familiar. It was a good business decision, we think, even though the volume of sales on the Android phones is low to date. We expect really tremendous growth in some key markets for us. So the technical decision was pretty easy. The business decision seemed a little risky given the early state of the Android platform, but given announcements at the I/O about the number of phones due out this year, we're pretty certain we made the right decision.
Have there been any technical challenges that you've had to deal with?
Nothing really major. I think most of the decisions we had to make were really about user experience and understanding what was possible with the Android platform and the tools that were provided. Some of the challenges I think we'll be facing ahead have to do with interoperability with other apps and the use of intents and things like that.
Okay. Are there any new features in Cupcake that you've been able to take advantage of?
Yeah, we have a version we haven't made it available yet because the T-Mobile Cupcake update, I guess, is not quite done yet. But we were able to implement a widget for our flight status application. So it displays your saved flights on your home screen, and with one touch, you can update the status on all your saved flights and quickly see how you're doing, whether your flights are on time or delayed.
Are there any tips or tricks that you've been able to do on the Android platform that you haven't been able to do on other platforms?
Well, the widget was actually a lot easier to implement than we thought. Google encouraged us to do that to help them show off the widget capability on the platform, and it turned out to be a pretty simple thing. And we're hoping that the users will really like it and take advantage of that.
What's your favorite aspect of the Android platform?
One thing that's really appealing beyond the widget thing is that you can keep multiple apps open on your phone. That's a limitation I run into as an iPhone user that Android gets you past, and so we're looking forward to interoperability with other travel apps, applications that might help guide you through other parts of your trip, might access flight data and flight status from Flightstats for Android and present it to you through their apps. So we're looking forward to that, definitely.
All right. And are there features in your app that's developed on top of Android that do not exist on other platforms?
Well, so far just the widget, I think. Otherwise, you'll be seeing features that you may have seen on iPhone travel apps that use our data. But we're definitely exploring the platform and looking for some other opportunities to really kind of plumb the depths of the Android platform.
Well, I want to thank you for your time today.
Okay, thank you.
Great show.